there are 4 unwritten rules that you have to pay attention. So what it means, let me explain you. First, when there is no lighting on the face of the model and the background is on the shadow. The second, total opposite, when there is sun on the face of the model and the background is the bright. The third, when there is no sun on the face of the model but the background is the sunny. And the last one, when there is sun on the face and the background is under the shadow. So in my experience, I will share with you which one is better, and I will take pictures in all these 4 sides. During this video, I will explain all of them to you, and in the end, you may pick your favorite one, and I will give my recommendation which one I do use mostly during my work. So let's get started. For this video, I'm using Sony Alpha 7S3 with 35mm Sigma lens. This is the Sigma Art lens. As I mentioned before, you see there is no light on the face of model and also background is not bright. So we do one picture here. You just please fix your hair back, hold your hair back, chin up, looking left. Like turn your head a bit left, slightly. Great. That was the first picture, and now second. We have to go to place when there is a light on the face of model and the background also bright. So maybe here. You see there is a light on the face of model and the background also sunny. And it makes discomfort for the model when she is looking a little bit higher. So in this case, you may use sunglasses or just ask the model close her eyes. You may close your eyes and chin up and hair back. So let me do another picture. In the previous picture, I set it the shutter speed 1 drop 1250 f1.4 because of the lens low aperture, and ISO always 100. When I start taking picture, I can show you with the same settings. You see it's too bright. And what you should do in this case, have to fix the light all the time. So here you either close the aperture to make it a little bit balanced and reduce the bokeh effect on the background. But if you do more portraits, I suggest you to keep it like before and increase the shutter speed. So I put the shutter speed 1 drop 6400. All right, one more. So this is the result of the second part of lighting. Now we go to the shadow, and the background is the bright. So you can come a little bit my side, yeah, a bit more. Walk a bit more. Yeah, you see the model standing on the shadow, but the background is still bright. So let me do one more picture. You see again. And the lighting is getting darker because we were under the sunlight, and now we are opposite under the shadow. So we are increasing first the shutter to 1250 like before, and fix the part of your hair. Okay, you see in this picture the face of model look nice, but the background is the bright. And now let's go opposite side. You may come here, please. When there is sun on the face of model but the background is under the shadow, you may stay looking that way and close your eyes. Looking, yes, like this. Close your eyes. And when I use the same settings, you see that it's still bright. And I take a picture. And you see the face of the model is too sunny, but the background is under the shadow, so it looks so bright. As a result, guys, I show you 4 options of the lighting, and I'm using personally the first one when there is no sun on the face of the model and the background is under the shadow. So shadow and shadow. So this is the most important angle and the lighting while I'm working almost 9 years. So this is the rules that no one gonna teach you, and it's not written in any courses. It's my own practice that I noticed that, and I'm working on it. And the only thing that we use second option when there is a sun on the face and when there is a sun on the background, we do in case if the first option is not working. And there are some places, for example, the background is the Colosseum, imagine, or Eiffel or something important, and you are not able to move from one side to other side. Yes, in this case you have to struggle a little bit with the light, or if you are staying there for a while, you may check the best lights. For example, here there is a Diana temple on our left side, there is a lake. So now is approximately 11 a.m. morning, so if we go there, the lighting will be not the best. This is the important thing you have to pay attention. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you so much, Rosa, and I hope you enjoyed, and just write your comments. What do you think about this video? And if there is something that you would like me to teach, please write on the comments, and I will make another video for you to teach you every details that you should know to become a professional photographer. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cheers.